What is one talent that I have?
I don't know. You gotta close your eyes.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Tianna Squarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Also click the bell that's right next to the subscribe button to be notified on every single video I upload, because why wouldn't you want to be notified? Lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because it truly helps me out a lot. Okay guys, so we recently did a video. We did the boyfriend tag like maybe 2 months ago, and you guys kept on commenting asking us to do the girlfriend tag, basically reversing the questions, and he's gonna be asking me the questions. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you guys are interested in that, then please keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
And I'm not gonna touch my hair as much this time, so you don't have to comment that.
What was your first impression of me?
He's weird.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Next question.
My first impression, you was like, he's really sweet.
All right.
Yeah, when I first met you, I was like, he's really sweet.
Okay, I'll accept that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where was our first road trip?
Our first road trip was to Baltimore. You said right?
Yeah, good. Congratulations.
No one can say it like that. Okay, what's the next question?
Actually, I thought it was Target, but yeah.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
What is one food that I do not like?
That's a trick question because you like every single food that they have out there.
Yeah, I mean, there's something. I don't eat anything. I don't like cat food or things like that, you know. But
you eat. There's no food that you don't like.
I'll try everything.
Exactly. So there's no food that you don't like.
I mean, if I don't like it, you probably won't know.
Because he'll still eat it.
Yeah. What is my eye color?
You gotta close your eyes.
What is my eye color?
It's blue, retard.
Thank you.
You're so stupid.
What kind of cake would you bake me on my birthday?
Chocolate.
You could.
Don't try to make it seem like
I'd appreciate it. Not necessarily my choice, but no, actually, I would enjoy that. So, you know, any cake is fine. So, what is my favorite sports team?
the Flyers, the Eagles, and the Phillies.
Yeah. You can throw the Sixers in there too. They're getting a little bit better.
It's a horrible team.
What's my favorite cereal?
I don't know. I don't know. You don't eat cereal.
Yeah, I really don't eat.
You don't eat
too much. When I do, usually
Honey Nut Cheerios, because you don't eat cereal.
I would eat Honey Nut Cheerios.
Okay, so say the question again.
If they're here.
Okay, so we're gonna try it again. Go ahead, say it again.
I wouldn't go out and make a trip for them, but you know. What's my favorite cereal?
Honey Nut Cheerios.
I used to like those monster cereals when I was, you remember when I was younger, they just brought them back. Remember that? The Boo Berry, the Count Chocula, Frankenberry, and I think they're back at the Halloween. But I mean, I know it kind of went off on a tangent there, but they're actually good. Not good for you probably, but again, no disrespect to General Mills Corporation. Where am I from?
Gloucester County, New Jersey.
Yes, I thought you were gonna say Mars. What is one talent that I have?
You can.
Time's ticking. Okay, that's fine. Everybody doesn't have a talent, I guess, so.
You're so stupid.
Or maybe when they gave them out, I wasn't there. Do I have any weird obsessions? If so, what are they?
No, you don't really have any weird obsessions. I don't think so. No.
Okay. What was the first thing you noticed about me?
Your eyes.
Oh, thank you.
I was just like, oh, they're so cute. They're so dreamy. I was just like, oh, I love him.
I appreciate that.
Bitch.
What can I spend hours doing?
Watching what's the sports channel called?
ESPN. Or
Yeah, ESPN. Watching ESPN
yeah.
for the most part.
That's good.
Right?
Yeah. What is my shoe size?
10.5 to 11.
Good. What drink do I order when I go out?
Diet Coke or unsweetened iced tea.
Okay, good. What is my favorite kind of sandwich?
Any kind of sandwich that has bread on it.
Oh, good. That narrows it down. What is something you do that I wish you didn't?
Yell. Yell.
Yeah.
Yell.
Pretty good. I like it. Yeah.
I aced that one?
Yeah, that's good. You aced it. What would I eat every day if I could?
Everything. Like snacks, chips, candy. Gary, you would.
Maybe.
Candy, nuts, chips.
If it's not in the house, I'm not going to eat it.
Yeah, if it's not in the house, you won't eat it. But sour candy, Skittles, all those
Right.
things, you can eat them. Every single day.
Good. You pretty much aced it.
Thank you. I
I'll
tried.
give you a B minus on that, maybe. No, actually, I'll give you an A minus, perhaps.
So what is that?
Because you said I didn't have any talent.
Okay guys, so that is the end of this girlfriend tag. Did I ace it?
You aced it.
I did phenomenal.
You did great.
I think I did phenomenal too. I do know him. You guys said I didn't, but see, I do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more from us, then please hit the subscribe button right down below, followed by clicking the bell and giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it. Comment down below your favorite part of this video. And yeah, we'll see you
Thanks, guys.
in the next one. Bye guys.
Take care.
Why are you smiling like that?
I'm trying to find.
Shut the fuck up. Okay. Subscribe button so you'll be notified on every single video that I upload. Stop! Right down below. Also click the bell. There's right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified on every single video I upload, because why wouldn't you want to be notified? Lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because it truly helps me out.